How can we visualize? That is a great question of a greater scope. Visualization, just like any other ability, emerges from our intention and curiosity to explore something or something about it. It is our natural manifestation of the means by which we can actually explore something. Those means are our abilities, such as vision, visualization, hearing, and so on. For example, if we are curious about seeing the world, then we will develop the ability to be able to see the world. However, if we are no longer interested, then we will start to have less and less of that ability. It happens because nature always takes the most efficient way possible of achieving something and always manages energy in the most efficient way. In other words, if any creature is no longer interested in exploring something, then that creature will start to lose that ability in which it can explore the world. Therefore, if we want to visualize, we have to be interested and actually genuinely curious about something, as well as being curious and interested in visualizing. It means being able to enjoy visualizing, enjoying the means by which we explore, as well as the subject itself. This relates a lot to the flow state, but that is a topic for another video. Now, aphantasia would probably mean that we do not believe in our ability to visualize, or not being able in visualizing, or the subject itself that we're trying to visualize. That may be possible because we may have considered it in the past as something unimportant, or something that is already explored. However, if we want to continue, we have to actually challenge that belief, because that belief actually can block our ability to move forward with the process of cultivating those abilities, such as visualization. I hope this was helpful for some of you. There will be more videos like this in the future. Until then, see you soon and have a wonderful day.